Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I will show you how you can check the coolant temperature on a Vauxhall Astra or Opel Astra. It's very quick and simple. All you have to do is to turn on the radio, raise the volume, press the settings button and hold it. You have to hold this for a while. Now you heard the sound, and pressing the BC button till we getting to this screen. So this is where the speed is 0 because the car is not moving, and this is the coolant. T stands from temperature and is the coolant temperature. So now it's 79 degrees. The engine is running, as you can see. It will start raising up. Already is raising up 80 degrees, and it will go up and up. So this is how you check the temperature on a Opel Astra. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.